Technology has become all-pervasive in the last decade, driven by increased consumer and enterprise digitalization, improving connectivity, declining cost of storage, and higher computing power at disposal. Global technology services industry today is valued at $1 trillion. Five powerful megatrends are likely to shape the new decade: rise of regional power centers and local economies, increased role of government in driving digital services, shift in investment and innovation in technology industry from west to east, and the accelerated hybrid future of work. Growth of direct to stakeholder models, which will drive up to 40% of sales in the sectors and cause major changes in consumer behavior and disrupt slow moving incumbents. These megatrends will also have significant shifts in enterprise technology spending in the next decade. Spending on technology across organizations and economies will significantly increase. Tech spending as a percentage of revenue will rise from 3% in the past decade to 5% in this decade. Growth will be disproportionate though. Digital natives and digital reinvented enterprises will account for 60% of the world's largest companies by 2030, up from 30% today, indicating a profound shift in global corporate leadership, opportunity, and profitability led by tech. Tech-enabled business models, especially direct-to-stakeholder models (DTX), are likely to capture far more customer spending. Meanwhile, digital ecosystems are expected to dominate many large marketplaces. Large enterprises will invest up to $125 billion in their tech stacks. Disruptive supply side shifts will also alter market dynamics, threatening providers that have held dominant positions over the years. Four disruptive categories of players: hyperscale cloud providers, next gen SaaS players, digital specialists attacking cloud services markets, and large infra players migrating to services. These players will play a significant role in reshaping the technology landscape as we know it. We hope you enjoy this study and feel free to reach out to me for questions if any. Stay safe.